My dear students, today's topic in grammar is filling the blanks with the correct form of the words given in bracket. This is an exercise for 1 mark in which we will find a sentence, a blank in between, and just next to the blank we will find a word, a key word in that bracket. So your task is filling up the blank using that word. But the same word cannot be used. You have to change the form of the word depending upon the sentence. That is the exercise. So if they give you verb, you have to change it into noun. If they give you a noun, you have to change it into adjective. So it all depends on the nature of the sentence. So this particular exercise carries 1 mark. In this class I am going to deal with a few exercises as an example. So let us start. The first one, water is the dash in bracket combine of hydrogen and oxygen. See, as science students, you are familiar with this. Water is the dash of hydrogen and oxygen. So you have to pick this word and change its form, which should be according to the sentence. So how is it? Combine is a verb actually. So what is required here? Here the noun form of this verb is required. So water is the combine noun form combination. So answer is combination. This is how we do. Second one, the blank in bracket operate was conducted under the supervision of a senior surgeon. The dash was conducted under the supervision of a senior surgeon. In bracket they have given a key word, that is operate. Operate is a verb. Now how to change it according to this sentence? The dash was conducted. So here you have to use the noun form, the operation. So I shall use other color, the operation. That is the answer. So it's very easy. So you have to keen on the nature of the sentence. Third one, Thomas Alva Edison invented bulb and his dash is used throughout the world. Thomas Alva Edison invented bulb and his dash is used throughout the world. In bracket, see, sometimes they will give you word after the sentence also. See, sometimes here they will give you immediately after the blank. Sometimes after the sentence also. So now I have given you after the sentence just to make you know how it is. In this bracket, the key word is invent. Invent, verb form, action word. The naming word or noun form is to be used here. Edison invented bulb, and his invent, noun form, invention. INVENTION it is, not SION. Most of us make errors while spelling it. So it is TION. Invent, invention. Next one, next exercise, fourth one. Fourth one says, King Rana Pratap was more dash in bracket courage than the people King Rana Pratap was more dash than what the people thought. In bracket, word is courage. How do you use it? See, there is a word than, more dash than. See, it is a kind of a comparative degree. You know this. Positive, comparative and superlative. So, it belongs to comparative degree. More dash than courage. How can you change the word courage? How can you change its form? So it is courageous. COURAGEOUS. Courageous than what people thought. Next one. Fifth one, cancer is a dash disease. In bracket, they have given with the word dead. Cancer is a dash disease. In bracket, dead. How do you change? Can you say cancer is a dead disease? What are the other forms of dead? Cancer is a deadly. Deadly. What is meant by deadly? Deadly means dangerous. Very dangerous. Sixth one. The guest accepted our in bracket invite. How do you write it? The guest accepted our dash invite. Invite is given, the same word cannot be used, so we have to use the noun form of this word. Invite, come on, invite, dictate, dictation, invite, it is invitation. Invitation. Next, moving on to the seventh exercise. Seventh one says, we need your dash is given in bracket present at this moment. See, we need your dash at this moment. Present is given. You have to change the form. How to change? We have to make it presence. 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 Eighth one says, cricket is an dash game in bracket interest. Cricket is dash game. An is given, so vowel sound should come, it is obvious. So, interest, how to change its form? Cricket is an interesting game. INTERESTING. Interesting game. Next. Ninth exercise. Swami was congratulated for his, in bracket they have given brave. See, brave is an adjective. It is a defining word, right? You are using that word to define somebody. But you cannot use adjective there. In its place, you have to use a noun. What's the noun form of the word brave? Swami was congratulated for his bravery. Swami was congratulated for his bravery. Next one. That is the 10th one. 10th one says, she was awarded for her dash in bracket perform. Again, verb is given. You have to change the verb into a noun. She was awarded for her performance. She was awarded for her performance. So, one more, the last one. This is the last one. Next, this is the last exercise. Mother Teresa is known for her, in bracket, kind. Mother Teresa is known for her dash. Kind to be changed as kindness. So, I have dealt with the 11 exercises. A few more exercises are there on my list, which will be sent to via WhatsApp. That is your homework. So this is your class work. You have done. I have done it for you. While explaining. The rest of the exercises are for you. Right? Very easy. You can do it. But it is very important that you score full marks in each and every exercise. See, in English paper, of course, question and answers, that is also important. More than that, grammar part is important. So, more weightage should be given to grammar part, because sometimes students make many mistakes here and lose their marks. Although they write question and answers properly, they lose marks here. So, your focus should be on grammar side also. Both sections should be given equal importance. So, with this I wind up my class, today's class. Today we studied about fill in the blanks with the correct form of the word. See, correct form. You cannot use the same here. You have to change the form of the words given in the bracket. You cannot use any other word. You have to reform the same word and then use it in the blank. So, thank you very much for your patient hearing. So, good luck to you all.